What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. Today I will be unboxing the newly launched Noise Shorts Rush wireless earbuds. So I actually ordered two earphones and this is the Tune Sport earphones and that's for another day. These were launched just a couple of days back at the time of making this video, and they are available in three colors: charcoal gray, quicksilver, and wine red. The Noise Shorts Rush is completely touch based with activated voice assistant that supports both Google and Siri. One can easily control playback, adjust the volume, and even make calls. These earbuds take 2 hours to fully charge, and once fully charged, it gives a playback time of around 6 hours. And if you include the battery capacity of the charging case, it runs nearly the whole day non-stop. Now in the box you will be getting the charging case, the manual, and here are the earbuds. After using these earbuds, I was actually quite surprised with the audio quality and the bass. Now if you're looking for a high-end alternative to the Apple AirPods, I would reckon you just go and buy these. Also, you'll be getting the micro USB cable, which is a pretty short one, of no use to be honest. And these are the extra ear tips of three different sizes. That's all for this one guys. See you in the next vid. Until then, peace out.